So what can we expect for 2022? Will buyers still face that fierce competition? And what's going to happen to those low interest rates and rising listing prices and rents next year? Let's find out. Hi, this is Kiwi the Coast, your luxury real estate specialist, helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. So what will 2022 be like for home sellers? Homeowners who are ready to sell in 2022 have got a very good year to look forward to. Home prices are likely to notch a decade-long streak in annual gains early next year, and the value of homes is at a record 34.9 trillion as of mid-2021. And of course, it's likely to trend higher when we get the release of next week's data. Even as for sale inventory begins to grow, creating additional competition for the home sellers, well-priced homes in good condition will continue to sell quickly in many marketplaces. As for sellers who have owned their home for a while, well, they are going to look forward to walking away with significant amounts of cash. The challenge of finding a replacement home is what is holding some back. In fact, 1 in 4 homeowners. So the sellers that are poised to take advantage of this marketplace are the ones that don't need to find a replacement home right away. Now, what is 2022 going to feel like for home buyers? What are they going to experience in 2022? Home buyers actually have much to look forward to in 2022 after the challenges of 2021. After years of declining, the availability and the increase of existing homes is likely to rebound from all-time lows. Still, the housing market's going to remain very competitive for those buyers, especially first-time buyers looking for those entry-level price tiers. With more than 45 million millennials in that prime first-time buying age group, 26 to 35 years old, entry-level buyers are going to expect a lot more company. Plenty of buyers means rising home prices, and when combined with rising mortgage rates, buyers will face higher mortgage payments. On top of this, homes are expected to continue to sell quickly, meaning buyers are going to have to make quick decisions or they'll miss out. So what will 2022 look like for investors? 2022? It's going to be good for investors. They're going to still see very robust returns for next year. With home prices expected to rise, existing homeowners are in a very good position, and rising rental rates are likely to entice many investors into the marketplace, even as rising interest rates are expected to challenge investor returns. After an unusual 2020 in which more investors were sellers than buyers, 2021 saw investors buying more homes at a greater rate than selling in the spring. This investor surge, of course, continued throughout the summer. If these homes are held for rent, 2022 will give an excellent opportunity for investors to receive high yields given those rising rental rates and high demand. So what about 2022 for those renters out there? What's that going to look like? Renters will see increasing rental rates in 2022 for sure. As home prices keep rising in 2022, we're going to see a greater proportion of the population unable to compete for the new homes out there, having to continue to rent. In addition, higher home costs from mortgage rates, which are expected to rise, could accelerate this pattern, raising demand for rental properties. Already in 2021, rising home prices and increasing mortgage rates pushed housing prices to new highs. That's relative to incomes nationwide and in large metros. On top of these trends, given the progress made against the pandemic, those who moved in to live with families may decide that they're better off living out and moving out again, which is what the economists refer to as a new household. These new households will spur rental demand and speed up rental growth. On the supply side, in addition to material shortages and labor increases, which will hamper the construction of new rental homes. The termination of various eviction laws may give landlords the chance to recoup the losses they incurred and be able to raise those rents. Hey, I hope you found all that information interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay up to date on all the changes affecting you in the real estate market. We'll see you on the next video. The Room.